Okay, are we ready, you guys? All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Woo! Oh, the curve is coming. Woohoo! Whoa! This... No! No! What? This is... Wow! 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 Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness gracious! I love this! Oh my goodness! This is intense, you guys! If you're enjoying what you're watching right now, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more of such weekly content. Damn, this is amazing. I love this activity. Woohoo! Okay, Kokpun. Oh, monkey. You have a monkey. Okay. Okay. Oh, Kokpun Cup. Oh, this is fun.
This is fun, right? I hit my face against the thing.
You hit your... Oh!
I cut it, yeah, a little bit.
Oh, this is so fun, you guys. If you...
I thought it was gonna fly off.
If you're coming to Phuket, I would definitely recommend you to come to Hanuman World for this roller coaster activity. So fun, you guys.